It's nice and it's the morning. Better go and wake up Jasper. Hello, Frob. Who said that? That's me. How on earth do you know my name? Well, Frob, I met you when I was a kitten, and you were a tadpole, remember? Aw, yeah, Japan. Yeah, sorry we couldn't bring you with us. It was not a really good idea that we did that. Sorry about that. That's fine, Frob. I forgive you. Don't worry about it. May I please stay in your house as well? You know what, Pink Feline? Go right ahead. We'll let you. We'll let you, Bagi. Don't worry. Thanks. You really are too kind.